Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So Jason and I are actually in Vancouver, Washington, but we're not here to pick up the bumper yet. Jason invited me to go with him on, like, what'd you say this is? Like the biggest cruise?
It's the biggest Euro car club in Oregon, kind of in the sort of Pacific Northwest area around here. And I've never been able to do an event with them, and now we're doing a little cruise.
Yeah, so we're going on a cruise today. I haven't really recorded much except for our entrance into Vancouver because it is quite rainy outside.
Ah, it's drizzling. You're a Oregonian. This ain't bad. It was really bad on the freeway, but this is not bad.
Well, yeah, I'm not saying I won't be fine. I'm just saying that, like, I didn't really record much because it's like you just see gray. It's just gray. But anyway, we're gonna hop out, take a look at some of these cars, do some networking, and then we're going cruise.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I think we're about halfway through the cruise, but we just pulled up and stopped on the side of the road to get some cool pictures and whatnot. I want to show you guys some of the cars. You can just hear the idle of all the like 1.8 engines. It's awesome. Dude, I think it's kind of funny that, like, I think sometimes when people see your car and we're like modifying it, they're kind of like, why this car? But then out here, it blends right in. Like, doesn't stick out at all.
Well, except it's red.
Well, yeah, but you know what I mean. Yo, she's got the same camera as me.
150?
I think so. Alright, this guy up here said he was gonna do a burnout. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on camera. Woo! Oh my god, I can't see shit.
Oh my god.
I can't see nothing.
Bro, I fucking missed that small clip. That's good. I know, right?
Hell yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, brother!
John said my tires.
Dude, that's so sick. There's your whole tire. All these guys are like trying to find flat spots to park. Jason just right up on the cliff. He just mountain goated up onto here. If you guys want to follow the Burnout man, check him out at little.gti. I'll put it on the screen. That was pretty sick.
Oh yeah, and she's just a little GTI, nothing too special about her. Just
what mods have you done to it other than like the hood?
So we got a tan carbon works hood on here. Custom made. There's like 3 or 4 of them in the world. Then we have just a bunch of little turbo goodies. So we have the CTS turbo intake, turbo intake or turbo inlet. We have a diverter valve spacer, and then the turbo muffler cleat. And and then a Megan Racing catless downpipe.
Sweet. Yeah, we've done the cold air intake, the diverter valve spacer, and basically all the turbo goodies on the all track over there for Jason's car.
Okay.
But I'm trying to talk him into getting a downpipe, and he's like, no,
it's literally the best mod I've ever done on here.
Yeah, that's what I've been telling him. I'm like, dude, get a downpipe for the car.
Then the other is I'm Cobb tuned with a sneaky tune on it.
Yeah, I think he has a tune. I don't know if it's Cobb, but he does have a tune. But
so
it's all stock after the
stage
turbo.
3 DSG tune. So Sport Plus.
Yeah, see, that's the thing is he has the manual, so he can't do like the trans tuning or anything.
Yeah, so it's she's a ripper.
Heck yeah.
We got to put number 3 on her now because we did it for Dale today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call her the Intimidator.
Intimidator. I love that. John wanted to take me for a rip in his GTI. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. This thing moves, bro.
Remember, we're down in Mexico.
Yeah, exactly, dude.
I'm a paid professional too, so.
Yep, yeah, this is a paid stunt. John wants to do a collab pretty soon, and we really want to compare the all-track with the tune and the 1.8 to the 2-liter turbo with the tune. I think this car's a little bit faster, but I gotta give it to Jason. Like, it's pretty close. It feels very similar. I think this has a little bit more top end, but they are very similar.
Well, when you spin through first, second, and third,
That's true, yeah.
It doesn't feel fast.
This car has the DSG, whereas Jason's car just has the manual. So there's definitely a lot of different aspects about them, both being Mark 7. So let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see a comparison with John's car with the GTI versus the all-track.
We can go back to the granny mode, you know.
Yeah, just casual.
Back
Nothing to see here, officer.
Back to 30 plus miles to the gallon.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Just the grocery getter.
Yeah, you know. Casual.
Oh crap. Don't spin tires on the bridge. Don't spin tires on the bridge. Never mind.
John, thanks for taking me on a rip.
Have a good one.
Had a blast.
Oh.
We'll definitely collab soon.
Yeah, definitely.
That thing is definitely sick. Jason?
So how much do you want a GTI or an R now?
The GTI is dope, but I still feel like the next car that I get is gonna be all-wheel drive, so
R.
maybe the R, because that engine with a bigger turbo and all-wheel drive, I was having the time of my life in there, dude. That's freaking fun.
Oh yeah, no, they fly.
Yeah, like that is not
Absolutely
slow.
fly.
So could you see the flames out the back? Because he was trying to shoot flames for you.
Oh yeah, he was shooting flames. It was pretty sick.
Heck yeah.
Oh,
There's one.
that was tiny. The other one's way bigger. Oh, there's
really fast.
Yeah.
Alright boys, so we made it back to Corvallis. I didn't vlog much more after that, but I'm back down here in the garage, and I told you guys that I was going to be picking the winner for the giveaway on the 21st, and the day that I'm recording this is the 21st, but this video is of course going up on the 22nd. So, I've got all the entries here on the raffle wheel, so I'm going to go ahead and spin this, and we're going to determine who the winner of this year's giveaway is. Alright, so congratulations to Bren50. So I'm going to go ahead and DM him, let him know that he won the giveaway. Thank you for everybody who participated, and I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. I got a few episodes left, and then I'm going to take a break because daily uploading is exhausting. But with that out of the way, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, and dream big.